In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Xbox controller is randomly disconnecting from your Xbox. So the first thing you want to do is flip over your controller and take out the batteries. And while you're doing this, have a look and see how well the batteries are actually contacting with the metal plates in your controller. So what can happen over time is these two metal pieces can become pushed in a lot, which is causing the batteries to not really connect well with your controller. And if you're moving it at all, it can cause it to disconnect. So what you could do with the tool is slightly bend these back into place so they make better contact with the batteries. Just be sure not to do it too much or else you could damage your controller. Now another easy fix is to simply use a wired connection. So grabbing a USB-C cable and plugging it into your controller will always guarantee the best connection and no disconnects. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.